Okay, so I'm solving 2022 maths question paper of SSLC. So I'll just start with multiple choice questions where we have 8 questions. Uh, each question carries 1 marks. So we need to select from the options. So there are 4 options given over here. We need to select. So I'll just start with the first question. So first question is the graphical representation of the pair of lines x plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0 and 2x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0 is option A intersecting lines, option B parallel lines, option C coincident lines, and option D perpendicular lines. So the answer for this question would be parallel lines, that is option B parallel lines. I'll tell you how. So here the first equation is x plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0, whereas the second equation is 2x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. So if we take out 2 common from this equation, then this equation will become x plus 2y minus 6 is equal to 0, whereas x value of x and y is same. So this representation of these 2 lines are parallel lines. Okay, so hope it's clear. Moving on to the next question, the common difference of the arithmetic progression of 8, 5, 2, minus 1, and it goes on. So what is a common difference they have? So common difference is nothing but we represent it as D. So how are we calculating D? So we are subtracting the second digit from the first digit to find the D value. So here's D is equal to 5 minus 8. Okay, so 5 minus 8 is 3. And now when it comes to the symbol, okay, so we have the answer 3. Now when it comes to the sign, so we have to take the bigger number sign, so that is minus, so the answer would be minus 3, that is option A, minus 3. Moving on to the next question, that is the standard form of 2x square equal to x minus 7 is. So the standard form of equation is, like we have a formula over here, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where the order should be x square, next comes x, next comes the number, then equal to 0. So we have to write this equation in the form of this. So it will be 2x square. We need to take this x to this side, that is minus 6, and here it is minus 7 already. When it goes to here, it will become plus 7, that is equal to 0. So we have this is same as option C. So option C is the answer, that is 2x square minus x plus 7 is equal to 0. Moving on to the next question, that is the value of the cos 90 minus 30 is. So cos 90 degree minus 30 degree is, cos 90 minus 30 is nothing but 60. So cos 60 is nothing but 1 by 2. So we have the answer over here, that is option B, 1 by 2. Now moving on to the next question, the distance of the point P of xy from the origin is. Okay, so we need to remember it. So the answer is root square of x square plus y square, that is option A. Now moving on to the next 6th question. In a circle, the angle between the tangent and the radius at the point of contact is. So here it goes like, so it is a circle and it is a tangent line, and let's assume this is a radius. Okay, So what is the angle here? So that angle is nothing but 90 degree. So we have the option C for this. Next, in a given figure, volume of the frustum of a cone is. So this is nothing but the formula. So answer is option D, that is 1 by 3 pi h into r1 square plus r2 square plus r1 into r2. Eighth question is surface area of a sphere of radius r, unit is. So it is a formula. So answer is option D, that is 4 pi r square units. Okay, so this covers all the 8 multiple choice 1 marks questions. Okay, so here we have 1 mark question. 8 We have 8 1 mark questions where we need to solve and write an answer for this. Okay, the first question that it goes 9th one. If the pair of linear equation in two variables are consistent, then how many solutions do they have? So answer for this question will be no solution. Okay, no solution. If the pair of linear equation in two variables are inconsistent, then it is no solution. In an arithmetic progression, if A is a first term and D is the common difference, then write the nth term. So here we need to write the formula of an, that is nothing but an is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So this is a formula for the arithmetic progression. Next is write the standard form of quadratic equation. So the standard form of quadratic equation is nothing but ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is a standard form of quadratic equation. Next will be write the value of sine 18 divided by cos 72. So how do we write the answer for this? So sine 18. So we write sine 18 as sine 90 minus 72 degree, where the answer of sine 90 minus 72 gives 18. So we are, instead of writing sine 18, we are writing sine 90 minus 72. That is sine 90 degree minus 72 degree divided by, write as it is the denominator. Okay, that is cos 72 degree. So now sine 90 degree minus 72 degree. So we have a formula to remember over here, that is sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Okay, that is sine 90 minus 72 is nothing but cos 72 divided by denominator we have cos 72. So the answer will be 1. Okay, value of sine 18 divided by 772 will be 1. So the next question, 13th question is write the distance of the point 4, 3 from x-axis. Okay, so I'll tell you. It goes like this. Okay, this is x-axis, this is y-axis, x and y. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Okay, 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. In x it is 4, in y this is x value, this is y value, is 3. Okay, it comes like this in the diagram. But when they ask distance of the point from x-axis, then we have to write the y value. If they ask from y-axis, then we need to write the value of x here. Since they have asked x-axis, we have to write the y value. So y value is nothing but 3. So the distance is 3. Next is find the median of the scores 6, 4, 2, 10 and 7. So how do we find the median? Okay, so the first step to find the median value is we need to write the given numbers in the ascending order. I'll write it in ascending order, that is 2, 4, 6, 7, 10. Then we need to find the median. That is, we have the formula as well and we can just do it manual as well. So when I'll tell you how do we do it in the manual, that is, we need to find the middle of this order. So first last, second last, second last, second one. So the median here is 6. If you go through formula, that is first plus last divided by 2 is a median value. That is 2 plus 10 divided by 2. 12 by 2 is 6. This is a median value. So now we have the two methods to find it. Since it is a 1 mark questions and we don't have any time to write the steps, so you can just directly write it in the ascending order and select the middle one, that is 6. Okay, next, moving on to the next question, 15th one. Write the statement of basic proportionality theorem. Okay, so it's nothing but we need to write the Thales theorem here. It is, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct point, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Okay, so this is nothing but Thales theorem. Now the next question, in the given figure write the formula used to find the curved surface area of the cone. So here we need to write the formula, that is, so the formula will be curved surface area of a cone is equal to pi RL square units. Okay, so this covers all the 1 mark questions.